how to take one person off of Google Do Not Disturb mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can take one person off Do Not Disturb, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you have enabled Do Not Disturb mode on maybe your Android phone or iOS, but then you would still like to allow an exception to one person, which means they can call even though you have Do Not Disturb mode turned on, or they can message or something like that. This exception can be added if you simply go ahead and then open up that Do Not Disturb settings on your phone. But opening the settings, first of all, depends upon which device you're using. So here I have Do Not Disturb turned on, and allowed during Do Not Disturb, I can allow app notification, which means something, or alarms and sound, or calls and messages. So I can select calls and messages, and then I can just tap on add contacts, and I can select a certain person that I want to go ahead and then add an exception to my Do Not Disturb. Once I add them and save, if that person calls me, my phone will give me the notification at the top. It will not block the call, and it will give me the notification at the top. This way you should be able to take one person off the Do Not Disturb mode. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.